picked up What's up guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you do, it's Sahara. So today we are doing a Temu miniatures haul. I've been putting this one off for a while now because I got a lot of miniatures and I did not feel like going through them. Of course, like I've been doing for my other types of like hauls where you need to see things up close, putting myself up there, focusing in on the products with my camera on top of them so you can see them closer. And boy, do we have a lot of them. I will try to have all of these linked down below. I will, of course, pop up my coupon code up here so you guys can save some coin. And let's go ahead and get started on this video. A pink picket fence. I use these fences a lot when I do my DIY dollhouses. I am going to be doing an upcoming summer dollhouse. I bought a lot of miniatures for that. Now, I do want to mention that you can cut this fence wherever you need to. It is a wire, but as long as you have like the type of scissors or pliers that can cut it, you can cut these to size. None of these have a name on there, so I'm going to try to explain it to the best of my ability. It's about a 20 piece of these pink plants. They're little singles that you can, of course, glue into a garden. For my dollhouses, I will use moss. You can also buy fake grass, and again, you can stick them down so you can make it into like a garden, a flower bush. And I think that they did come in a couple of different colors on the site. Couple of the plastic palm trees. Now there's two palm trees attached. To me, it kind of looks like the Legos. I do have another type of palm tree that I want to mention that actually looks more realistic. So you do have the option of buying these that look a little bit more plastic, of course. Putting the other type of, I guess this is another type of palm tree. You can see the difference. You can see how more realistic it looks. Plastic ones look more like a turquoise, but this looks like a true green. It also has these little pieces that are inside this little lantern that it's in, and the lantern is cute too, this silver. I also picked up some stems that had the pink type of roses on them, or vines, whatever you want to call them. These would be great if you want to glue them on the side of your house. You know, the way vines grow up on your house, those annoying vines. A little mini flat screen TV. This did come in two sizes, but I believe I got the smallest size. And they also had two different options. One, you can get this one that has like that film that looks like a real screen on a TV, or you can get one that just looked like black, like the TV was turned off. And I do plan on putting it on a bench. A 3-piece of these benches. They are really nice, really good quality. They're not like really heavy, but they do have some weight to them. It looks like wood, but with the weight that it has, it kind of reminds me of maybe some sort of resin type of material. I definitely want to set the TV up outside instead of being inside, and then possibly prop it up on one of these benches. Got some more welcome mats, another 4-piece. I'm pretty sure I used every single color now except for the red one for a dollhouse. It is more of like a, I guess it's like a felt type of material, so it does give that carpet type of look. 3 of these little mini lantern vases that has the green and pink flowery bushes. So these can go outside. You can also set them up inside on like a table. I would definitely recommend buying 2 of the same packs so you can get 2 of the same style and size. Oh, and excuse me, my mistake, but there is 4 of these little planter pots with the green and pink, not just 3. A 3-piece of 2 chairs and table that I picked up before. I used it in my Tiana's dollhouse and I thought it was perfect because it has like the lily pad and flower type of look. It definitely embodies that froggy type of feel. I also picked up a pack of plates. Now there's 4 plates in here. There's a couple of spoons, a couple of forks, a couple of knives. They did have 2 different styles of this. The one that I got is just one size of these pink plates, but they also had, it was one size of the pink plate and then there was another smaller size, so you can have like double the plates in 2 different sizes stacked on top of each other, and it does fit really good on that table. I also picked up a couple of these Smirnoff bottles. So this is the Smirnoff Ice in raspberry and original. These do have that little keychain thing on top of it. I am just gonna go ahead and cut it off so it does look like a regular, you know, type of little mini bottle. But you can use these for earrings, you can use it for a necklace, you can use it for a bracelet. That's how it was originally made. A couple of these little milkshake cups. It has the pink swirl straw, creamy looking milkshake with these sprinkles inside. Something like this is made with resin to get that realistic look. I think like this is the last type of cup style. I also got one that looks like a Stanley tumbler. It comes with the straw that you'll put inside. It also has the little top. It is deep in there, so you can put some resin and kind of make your own type of drink, so it actually looks like you have a drink in there. And of course it is pink. This little red and black grill does have what looks to either be little sausages or little hot dogs, but I also got some steaks as well to put on there, and I think it only fits 1 or 2 steaks, but I just thought that was so cute to have like a little grill out there as well. One of the dolls that I plan on using for the house, I'm gonna put her by the grill so she could be watching a grill. She can either be sipping on a milkshake or sipping on some of that Smirnoff. A 4-piece of these. No, it's not a 4-piece because there's definitely supposed to be a table. Excuse me. I picked up a 5-piece. It's like a weaved basket type of outdoor table. Like this is something that in real life you would set on your patio if you had like a fire out there. It comes with 2 basket weaved chairs, a little chipmunk, 2 acorns. But I did also pick up a fire. Well, it's like a fire flame, so it has like the wood to it, and I'm gonna set that on top of the table so it could look like they're by a bonfire or something like that in front of that TV. 2-pack of these flamingos. If you are doing something like a pool, or you could also put these in front of your door, like on the outside. I also love that no matter which side you turn the flamingos on, they have that like a rose petal, something like that. Well, the rose that is on either side. What is this, a hammock or something like? No, not a hammock. Isn't a hammock one of those that ties on like either side of the tree? Well, anyway, it's a swinging chair basically, and you can really put something in here. It comes with a little glittery gold pillow, the cushion inside. It also comes with the, I guess this is like a little orangey yellow blanket. It's so cute. It looks more like a scarf. It came in a couple of different sizes, but if I can remember correctly, I did pick up the smallest one. Swinging chair, rocking chair. No, it cannot be a rocking chair. This keychain floaty. I was going to be doing like some sort of pool, which is also why I have the flamingos. I did get this one with the keychain because I knew that it was going to be small enough. The only other type of miniature floaties that I seen on the site, they were going to be like pretty big. So I did pick up this one, and this one is hard. It feels just like resin. 2 of these suitcases, they did have them in 2 different sizes, a small size and a large size. So I got the smallest size. These are pretty big. When you're thinking about like a certain type of ratio, depending on the dollhouse, one is pink with the gold hardware and the other one is brown with the gold hardware. Now the pink one does have a pink and white striped cloth in the inside, and the brown one does have a black and white striped cloth on the inside. These would be really cute, especially if you were doing like a nautical or nautica, I forgot which one it's called, type of like a beachy setting. Look at, I'm showing you miniatures and throwing out ideas. 2 of the things that excited me the most in this haul, dressers. They both have 3 drawers to them. They do really work, and so does the handle on them, and you can really put something in these drawers. Now the coolest thing is I got them when they were doing some like quick fire type of sale. I only paid like 50 cents, and these were both $4. It genuinely feels like it would have been maybe some sort of wood that they shellacked. Shellac is just basically when you add that top layer that protects the wood, and it's usually like a gloss. And both of the dressers have that vintage type of look to them, vintage style. A couple of these bathroom poofs. It did come in the yellow, purple, and blue. They did not have the option for you to choose them, like they gave it to you at random, and one of the poofs was pink, and I was like, I needed that pink one. I'm gonna put them next to these Scott tissue. There's a blue one, a pink one, and a green one, and I was like, those will go really nice next to the shower poofs. And these are not real like any type of tissue. It's just like some hard material in the inside, and then the wrapper just made to look like tissue. You're probably like, well, why would it be real tissue? It's, you know, it's just a fake miniature. But some of these things are, how do you say it, interactive, like you can really use them. So that's why I'm like, sometimes you may end up getting something that does have real tissue to it. A stack of little pink towels with a pink bow. I think these also came in a couple of different colors, and it really does have like that fuzzy type of material. It looks like it, so these will be really nice to go in the bathroom. Some pink slippers, but they are not actually, let me see, let me make sure I know what I'm talking about before I say it. Yeah, these are not like usable. Like if you have a doll, you won't be able to slide these on that doll's foot. They closed off the strap part, but I am going to set these next to the little mini tub that I have. Picked up another of these hooks. You can also put the shower poofs on them. You can hook a shirt or, you know, a towel, a robe up there on these hooks as well. So I'm thinking about gluing these in the bathroom. And these also came in different metal colors, which by the way, it is a metal material. This is a mirror. This mirror is so cute. Now you can turn it horizontally, you could turn it vertically depending on how you want it. It could be used as like a full body mirror, or it could be used like even as a mirror that's in the bathroom, because I also picked up 2 of these types of lights. Now these are not the real working type of lights. I've actually purchased those before, but those real working lights, the reason I did not purchase or repurchase them is because you have to have whatever that technology is that when you put the wire to it, it will light it up. I don't know how to work that. I would prefer if it was just something simple, like you just add a battery to it, click the light on, and those lights turn on, but that is not how they work. A mini keychain type of guitar. Again, this is not something that's going to be used as a keychain, but that's another thing that I just want to throw out. If you're looking for miniatures, you don't always have to look for them under like a miniatures category. Look for things that are like a keychain that you can cut that hole that will typically be at the top of it off, and you can actually use those as a miniature if you can't find them as like a an actual miniature. So this is a metal type of material. The guitar is silver, pink, and black. 3-piece set. This would be really nice to put on a vanity. I think it would be really nice to also put on those dressers that I mentioned earlier. Now this mirror does have a film on it that can come off, so you can actually see into the mirror. It's a heart style shaped vintage mirror. They also had a different shape as well. I can't remember if it was like a circle, square, something like that, but I did get the heart because it's so cute. It also came with this little mini type of mirror that also has a plastic film on the mirror. That is silver, and then it came with this comb. 3, 4, 5. A 5-piece set of this perfume, nail polish, lipstick, powder puff with a case for it, and then also a brush. So I thought that this was a really cute set that would also be nice to go in a vanity or even on top of those dressers. Then the last things that I'm mentioning today are pretty much stationery. 3-piece of this technology. The first one is a laptop. It says mini book to it, so it's kind of like a MacBook Pro, and it is in pink metal. The only thing that I don't like about it is how it opens. It's like it swings open and closed. It doesn't have where it could stand up on its own. Next thing we have is a little iPad. It does have the screen to it. Now these are a lot bigger than I originally thought, so be careful with that, especially when you're putting them up next to a doll. And then the last one is a little iPhone that also has a screen to it. A 2-piece desk, not a dresser. The drawers are not real, which I would have loved if they were real. They would have really opened. And then it also comes with this little chair to go with it. It is such a cute set. but it is really small, but it actually fits my dollhouse. I already put some of these pieces in my dollhouse just to see how they fit, and it does. Two pieces that I got together is this little mini calculator. It is so little and cute. And also this stapler. Now the stapler does have some movement to it, so it looks like it does open and close to staple something, but it's not like a real, it's not like a working stapler. A couple of these little pins, so it would go really nice next to a book or even on top of that desk. And there's a couple of different colors in here. I do like the design of it. It does look like a pin. It does not really move or work or anything like that. I picked up some more of these little miniature books. Now these books do have like real pages in there that you can write on. They don't have any writing inside. You can do the writing yourself, but the pages are like smooth enough to write on. Do have real books on them. For an example, some of the books, or two of the books I see, have Harry Potter, The Death Cure, The Silent Patient. So yeah, they do have real books on them. Alright, and that was it. That was all for this video, which was a lot and enough, by the way. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, all links will be down in the description box below. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!